Hello world. I'm Zavi and you can see my project details on the screen right now. My title of the project is Proctor50. My full name is Mohammed Zavi Abbas. My GitHub username is Zavi14429H. My edX username is Zavi and I live in Raebareli, which is in India. And this video is being recorded on 24th November 2025. This is my final project for CS50x, a simple online exam proctoring web app. The goal is to make remote exams a little more reliable without needing any fancy external softwares. Uh, this web app contains two types of users, the teacher and the student. Let's start on the teacher's side. You can always make your own account by clicking register here, but I'll be just logging in. After logging in as a teacher, I see my dashboard here, which lists all the exam sessions I've already created. Here I can click create and start and make a new session, giving me a unique session code, which I'll share with my students, enabling them to join the particular session. For example, for exam 5, the code is this. When I open a session by clicking view, I see which students have joined in the live student section, when they joined and how many alerts each student has triggered. Alerts are stored in a granular way. Each alert has the student, the section, the type of event, and a timestamp. The page can refresh periodically so the teacher gets a near real-time sense of what's happening during the exam. On the student side, I'll be logging in, but you can always make your own account as I told you earlier. Uh, I can join a particular session using the session code, which would be 4x11LN for this particular session. And the teacher would be able to see me live with voice detection as well. And I can also share my screen so that the teacher can detect any tab switches. And the screen shared is started. The teacher is notified with that as well, and the teacher can see my screen live. Uh, Noise detected has been popped up on the teacher's screen to notify that there is some background noise. Again, it's popping up because I'm talking to you guys well. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like it. And this was CS50.